Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, beef stock in the Instant Pot. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Let's get her done. Alright, ingredients for the day. A couple onions, some tomato paste, some parsley, some delicious fresh thyme. We got some beef shanks here. We got a couple carrots, a couple stalks of celery. We got some oxtail, and we got some beef neck bone back here. 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones total. And you want some meat on some of these. And these oxtails really got a lot of collagen in them, so it's going to really give a great mouthfeel to our stock. Let's get the stock rolling. All right, let's get started with some prep of our vegetables. So onion doesn't have to be perfect, so you just want to take them, nice size pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect here because it's all getting cooked down. So you go through your onions like so. Get right through them. Like I said, nothing has to be perfect when you're doing this for stock. You're looking for the flavor. So there we got our 2 onions. We got our 2 stalks of celery. Like I said, nothing perfect here. That goes into our bowl like so. Carrots, you don't have to peel them. You can if you want. I don't ever worry about it. Whoa, man, they're going everywhere. All right, so boom, 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 boom. All right, get through all your veg. And these are going to be roasted with our bones, which we will get to next. Corral them all. Put them in your bowl. Alright, let's get the bones out next, and we will get those ready to be roasted. We're going to roast some bones next. Okay, we got our bones here. We got some, as you can see right here, we got some oxtail, neck bones, and I got a little shank over here. So we're going to roast these 450 degrees. You want your oven ripping at 450 degrees. If you got convection, even better. I got mine set to convection at 450. You want to give these a good roast at 450 for about an hour. Our veg that we worked hard on, well, not too hard, but that's going to go in about 30 minutes in our cooking because we want to get a little color on those too. But what I want to do is I want to add a little bit of tomato paste to these bones right here, just to add an extra layer of flavor, and this will caramelize obviously in the oven. And we're going to do that to all our bones here. Good glug of tomato paste on there. Get it all over. All right, these right now are going to go into a 450 degree oven. 30 minutes. We're going to pull them out. We're going to throw our veg in there. Gonna let it go another 30 minutes. All right, let the flavors begin. 30 minutes in the oven to begin. Let's get her going. All right, we are 30 minutes into roasting our bones. As you can tell, this pan is hot. Everything's as hot as whatever. So our bones are working. See, we got some caramelization on our delicious tomato paste. Our veg is gonna go in here. And just get it wherever. And it'll go in there like that so we can get some color on our veg. All right. Oop. Here. A little bit of deliciousness left. All right. I'm gonna touch this. It's flaming hot. All right. Anyway, we're gonna go back in the oven 30 more minutes, and hey, we're gonna put this in the Instant Pot. So, 30 minutes for the bones, 30 minutes with the veg with the bones. Let's get her in the oven. We'll be back to Instant Pot it next. All right, we're another 30 minutes in the oven, and our bones are nicely roasted. Our veg is getting some color. Our bones are looking delicious. I know some of you might think, that's burnt. No, that's not burnt. That's caramelization. It's gonna be great to go in our stock. All right, so what we're gonna do next, fire up that Instant Pot. Stuff in our Instant Pot, so we got our bones. Let's get those down in the bottom here. Let's get them all in there. around, whatever. There we go. And we're gonna take our, ooh, still warm. All right. Everything that's in there, go in here. Like so, they're all in there. Like so. Now, you should get the rest of this off the bottom. I will, and I'll throw it in there later, but if you're gonna do this, use a roasting pan, throw a little water in there, get rid of all those bits, and throw them into your Instant Pot right here. So we got our bones in there, we got our veg in there, we gotta add our parsley and our thyme. That will go in there like so. Yeah. All right, so then add water, cold water. And we're gonna do that so it comes up to your pressure cook mark right there, about 6 cups. All right, all looking good. We will now lock and load, and we'll get this going. All right, we got our stuff in our Instant Pot. Our Instant Pot is right there. We're ready to roll. We're gonna hit pressure cook, like so. We want custom on mine. I don't know how yours works, but we're gonna do custom. We want an hour. So 100 makes an hour. So we're gonna start that. And we are preheating, and it'll go through the preheat, and then we'll hit pressure cook for an hour, and then we're gonna let it naturally release, and we'll have our beef stock. So we'll see you back for some beef stock. All right, it's been, you know, an hour and 15 minutes that we've been rolling this. You do an hour, 15 minutes, whatever you want to do. Our pressure has, our little thing is down, so we're good to go. So this, take this off here, see what we got going on in our delicious looking Instant Pot there. Look at that. All right, so we got some nice stock going on in there. Let's get the bones out of there and the meat. You know, I'm gonna make me a nice sandwich with all those meats on those bones tonight. So get them all out like such. Get them all out of there. So, all right. Oop, one more. All right, we got this nice, deep, rich stock in here. All right, we're gonna straighten it out next, and we're gonna have some delicious beef stock. All right, we're back. It's time to strain our stock, which turned out totally delicious looking. And I know you're worried about the fatness, but this fat will rise to the top once we refrigerate this. Then all you really got to do is just scoop it off. Right? So we got all our liquid. We still got our delicious stuff there. And we'll take ours. Bang out your strainer. And you can do this through a chinois or cheesecloth or whatever. I'm not really worried about old big pieces or whatever into my beef stock, so you know that's the way it's going to be for me. So here we got it, and like I said, these fats, you're gonna put this in another container or containers, plural, whatever. You're gonna put that in the fridge, and all the fat will rise to the top once it's cooled, and you just skim that off, and then you got pure beef stock. Look at that. All right. I'm gonna do a taste test because, you know, Douglas wants a taste test, so we'll try to get through some of that fat and get a taste test of our beef stock. All right, let's do a taste test, guys. We got our stock down here. Give me a little shooter of some delicious beef stock for you guys. Obviously in a delicious Husker mug. Okay. All right, so let's taste it up here. It's hot. No, you totally get that collagen in your mouth to begin with, and it's really good. You don't add salt. You always add salt when afterwards, especially when you're making a sauce. If you're going to do it to a stock, and then you add it to your sauce, whatever. But hey, salute. Hey, there's some Instant Pot beef stock. Tasty stuff. Make it yourself, tweak it. You can put some garlic in there. You can do whatever you want. This is just really basic, and you know, I hope you try it at home. You'll enjoy it. You can make a lot of stuff with the stock afterwards. Hey, thank you for watching Cooking with Corey. Much appreciated. We'll see you next week.